Hello, everybody. This is Dr. Ingrid Amarini Klimek, and some of you may already know me from our special village and the Butcher Project. But I'm here today to tell you about this new project that I've just started with my friend and colleague, Laura Nitoli. And she is from Argentina, and she has a really important story to tell. She was diagnosed a few years ago with celiac disease. And she has learned to live a life that is full, that is fulfilling, that it's healthy, and that also has an economic impact because she has made this new adventure, this new challenge that she has had to face, is being diagnosed with this condition she has made it into her life. And by her life, I mean she's changed everything about her life. She's changed the way that she looks at things. She's changed the way she eats. She's changed the way that she consumes everything. But most importantly, she's made it into a business and she is thriving. She's doing fantastic. And she wants to share all of these things with you, these strategies, these tips, so that you, if you have recently been diagnosed with celiac disease, you will also be able to understand this disease, this condition that you have just been diagnosed with, and learn to live with it. Learn to live a healthy life and learn to become healthy because of it. Make this the reason why your life has now turned out to be much better than you would have expected. In a very short time, we're going to be hearing from Laura Nitoli, Laura, and she will tell us a little bit about her story, how, what brought her to the doctor's office, and what she went through when she was diagnosed with celiac disease.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Soy Laura, tengo 42 años y soy celíaca. Y quiero contarte un poco de mi historia. Hace 4 años me declararon la enfermedad del celiaquismo. A partir de ese momento, obviamente pensé que mi mundo se ponía de cabeza. Simplemente empecé a pensar qué como en casa, qué como cuando salgo con amigos, qué como cuando voy a un restaurante. Y bueno, fue toda una locura. Pero muy de a poco me fui dando cuenta que esto no era una enfermedad, sino que era un cambio de vida, un cambio de posibilidades, un cambio de alimentación, pero todo de forma positiva. ¿Por qué? Empecé a ver que comía más sano, que comía más saludable, y a pesar de no encontrar todo lo que me gustaba, de a poco en mi cabeza me iba dando cuenta que esas comidas las podía ir transformando yo. Te cuento que empecé a hacer cosas en casa. Dije, ¿por qué no probar una pizza como comía antes? Empecé a buscar recetas, una, otra, encontré la que me gustaba. ¿Por qué no comer un rico lemon pie como comía antes? Empecé a buscar recetas, otra, hasta que encontré la que me gustaba. Y así sucesivamente. Hoy te cuento que puedo comer todo lo que me gusta y sin gluten. Y hoy quiero contarte que podemos ayudarte acá en este canal a hacer que vos hagas exactamente lo mismo, pero en tu casa. Desde una simple pizza, desde un simple lemon pie, hasta una torta enorme de cumpleaños, hasta un desayuno para una persona querida o para vos mismo, para regalar. Muchas posibilidades. Por eso quiero invitarte a que nos sigas, a que le des un me gusta a este video y que sepas que este es un camino lleno de nuevas posibilidades para vos y para mucha gente celíaca y tal vez no celíaca que le gusta comer sano y saludable. Espero que nos sigas. Gracias.